Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Disney Experience app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Disney World Experience app. So if it's not work for you, then you have to follow this instruction. Just press and hold it here, then click on this I button. Okay. So at here you can see, then you have to scroll down and click on this storage button, and then you have to clear the data. Okay, and if it's work then fine, if it's not work you have to check for also the update. So checking for the update is easy. Just press and hold it here, then click on this I button. After that, here scroll down, just click on here app detail in store. It will redirect to your Play Store. Okay, then here you have to click on the update button and it will be done. So by this way you can just do it. So it's very easy. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.